Welcome back to my channel. I am Tech Adnan with you to show this video. Till now, who subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel to get update notification and stay with us. In this video, I will show you how to change your name from Facebook. To change your name in Facebook account, first go to any Facebook app. Go to Facebook app. Which account you want to change your name, log in this account and go to setting. Then go to personal detail. Then click profile and again click profile. Then you will get like this interface: name, username, profile picture and avatar, and click name, and here you will get like this interface: first name, middle name and last name. First name, I am changing first name Hassan, last name Khan. Then click, you can take any middle name. Then I am adding Hassan A Khan. Then click review. You can make a name Hassan A Khan, Hassan Khan, Hassan A Khan, Hassan A Khan. Then save change. Okay, already my Facebook name has changed, Hassan A Khan. Then go back and see your name, click your profile, Hassan A Khan. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this small video will be very helpful to you for changing your name from Facebook. Until now, who subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel to get update notification and stay with us. Thank you.